if the vectors I cap plus j cap plus k cap and 3 I cap form two sides of a triangle, then the area of triangle. Here we have to find area of triangle with the help of two vectors which are representing sides of that triangle. So two vectors, suppose they are a vector and b vector, are given which are representing sides of a triangle, and we have to find area of triangle with the help of these vector, which can be find out with the help of cross product, because cross product will give us AB sin theta as its magnitude. Therefore, if we want to find out the area of triangle, we can write half of modulus of A cross B, it will represent area of the triangle, in which A vector and B vector are representing two sides of a triangle. So first we will calculate the result of A cross B. A vector cross B vector. Here in our question, two vectors are given. First vector is I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So I have considered it as a vector, while other vector is given as 3 I cap. So we have considered it as b vector. Now we will see what will be the result of their cross product. I cap plus j cap plus k cap on cross multiply with 3 I cap. So we will find out what will be the answer of this. Therefore, we can use direct multiplication 1 by 1. That is 3 times of I cap cross I plus 3 times of j cap cross I cap plus 3 times of k cap cross I cap. So we can see I cross I, that is 0. Whole value will be 0. Other one j cross I, that will give us resultant minus k cap plus 3 times of k cross I, it will give us resultant j cap. So result of A cross B will be minus 3 k cap plus 3 j cap. So this will be the result of A vector cross B vector. Now we will see what will be its magnitude. So magnitude of A vector cross B vector will be equal to root of summation of squares of all the coefficients. So coefficient of I cap is 0, therefore it is 0 square. Coefficient of j cap is 3, therefore it is 3 square, and coefficient of k cap is minus 3, therefore it is minus 3 square. On calculating this one, we will get 3 times of root 2, means it is the value of modulus of A vector cross B vector. Now we have to find area of triangle with the help of this. So area of triangle, as we have discussed, it is half of magnitude of resultant of A vector cross B vector. So here we can see that is half of modulus, which is coming out 3 root 2. Therefore on solving this one, we will get 3 by root 2 units. So answer of this question is, where two vectors are given and we have to find area of triangle, is coming out 3 by root 2 units. Thank you.